Jamaica's Reggae Girls will face Australia, Brazil and Italy in Group C of the FIFA Women's World Cup in France in the summer of 2019. The draw was conducted in Paris on Saturday. It will be the Reggae Girls' first appearance in the FIFA showpiece following their historic qualification in October. Now they will come face-to-face with South American powerhouse Brazil on June 9, before opposing Italy on June 14, and then closing out against the highest seed in the group, Australia, on June 18. Head coach Hugh Menzies is hoping to create more history by going further than the Reggae Boys did in 1998 in the same country.
Obviously, we're excited as a nation to get an opportunity to be on the same field with Brazil. Excited about playing against one of the top players in the world in Brazil, who probably some of our players idolize. But, just another game for us. We have to prepare. Australia and Italy, good tradition of football. So we're in a good group, good group that we feel like we can get in there and compete.
Meanwhile, JFF President Michael Rickett is pretty satisfied with the draw and hopes the format of the competition aids the Reggae Girls' chances of progression.
I would want to think that we are pretty satisfied. I do hope that we'll be able to make it to the second stage. The first and second from each of the 6 groups will advance, and the 4 best third place.
And former Reggae girl Tashana Vincent was specially invited by FIFA to be a member of their recently unveiled Initiative World Cup Legends squad. The squad of former male and female internationals not only watched Saturday's draw, but will also help to promote the FIFA Women's World Cup. Vincent reacted to the development.
And I realized the great responsibility that I had. I was elated. I knew that there's a lot of girls in Jamaica who could have been chosen, and the JFF and also FIFA saw me fit to be that individual, and I just took it in and decided that whenever I come here, I'd come here and represent not only myself but every girl who has ever kicked a ball for this country.
And she also spoke of the chances of the Reggae Girls to make it out of the group stages.
I think that we have a very good chance of coming out of the group. I like the draw. I think that with the right luck, we will definitely come out of this group. So I'm looking forward to next summer. I'm very excited because we have a young, exciting group of players who are fearless and willing to go out there and leave everything on the field. So we can only be optimistic about it.
The other CONCACAF hopefuls, United States and Canada, were drawn in Groups E and F respectively.